Benzena sa Santos, Anahyad, Anahatsi. Our referees, Crew Team, Nuruladi Muksam, Umpire 1, Anthony Olasiman, Umpire 2, Ricky Castillo. Our second
we're now live for our main event for tonight to be played between the Kalipa versus Etnerism. Yan, abang-abang kayo guys sa live. Napakaganda ng laban na to. And as you can see guys, agad-agad agawan ng bola. It's a basic 2 points derecho for the team of Kalipa. Yeah.
Number 1, the main man of Kalipa. Solar. Wala po. Agawan po ng bola. Bola po ay napunta sa Etnerism. Observing number 28. Wait the ball. Number 4, muntik na ako.
Ayan, naglaban. Solon at Pabian.
Jersey number 21, grabbing the ball. Looking for a pass to the ball. There's a foul downstairs.
There's a foul for Solon. Ren Balion. Ha? Sa dumaan ng pagkain dyan, pwede nyo naman po iwan dito saglit ang pagkain nyo. 89 viewers, shout out. Magsisimula tayo kay Chatiem Aminola, shout out Araneta. Let's go Kalipa for JR Jim Jimenez. Good luck Ibn. Good luck Ibn. From Asaral. Good luck Kalipa. Pa-shoutout ko nansuan yung utang mo hoy. From Asaral. Shoutout kay Coach Norjay. Yan, shoutout. Postizo Nilo De La Cruz Arado, shoutout. Ronian Targantes, shoutout. Yan, shoutout kun Raver Alante to Tumba Dinante. Shoutout na jersey number 15 of Kalipa. Again and again, we would like to shoutout kay Madam Era Rasul. Yan. Wemby versus Chet. Yan. Wemby versus Chet. Yan.
Thank you so much for your time, Wizard.
Shoutout kay Halid. Shoutout kay Asaral Matek na 3+1. Shoutout na kay Francisco Aaron Araneta. Ang Princess Megan Gregorio Utod. Shoutout kay Ref number 15 watching here from Hong Kong.
On first of the organizer. It's a baseline ball. Kick out for three. Bola po, bola.
Hello mga kaballers, is a 3-0 run dito sa ating 8 minutes. It's a 3-0 run tayo dito guys. So 3 for Khalifa and none yet for Ibn Sam. Pa-shout kay Adson yung anak mo, asan daw? Sean, Mark Del Kumara, let's go. Mark Jay Garcia is watching. Shout kay Kuhuta, number 19, ang cellphone Jade. Guys, pa-share naman ng live natin. So, maganda na naman tong game na to. So, my idol, my Lodi, Coach Roy Lim. Coach Miseo ako taliba tumani coach every after game talayayo tapili yamani. Rafael Rivera is watching. Ronian Dargantes, ano na naman, shout kay Dwayne Yuna, Muhammad Pulaong, Randy Piquet is watching. Ma'am ko sa tapas na pwede JT. I admitted for para ano lang, para kita lang sure that all is well. Good luck Ibnet, kaya nyo yan. From Ads1, Gogo Khalifa, Arjun Ding. Kamukha ni Coach. Basic na dito yung negosyo namin. Levi Conde, Roy Savella, shout out. George Vincent. It's a 8-0 run. Shout kayo tatenta Genjis nante. Gogo Solon. Nahihirapan pa si Solon dito kasi marami ring mga big guys ang ano, Khalifa. Princess Utod, Megan Ferrer, shout out. Thank you sa ating solid 113 viewers. Thank you so much for watching the league. Dwayne Raboldas is watching. For sure si Dwayne. Tanan natin. Tan scout gata si Dwayne. Aliyah Paula is watching. Shout out kay Kutan, ang cellphone ni Jade. Sniper. Gwyneth Rain Kias. And timeout is brought to you by Asia Lab, Concept Store, Mayor John Dalipe, FJ Graphics, Sensation by Dr. Stam, ERBL, Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Trust Maria Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports, ang Kings Collection, SU, Trade and Apparels, and of course, Samahang Basketballista ng Pilipinas.
Since the first game down to one,
Noah Kibilan, Nads Majid, Abs Omar is our watch.
Number 11.
Good luck, my Ronnie Dale Gallo. Noah Francis.
There is a ball from his way to the basket.
Yeah, Alib is watching.
Jersey number 12.
Di pa na umuupo dito yung Ibn Sam unless they will get that basket, so that's the time they will sit on their bench. Pero so far wala pa silang puntos dito. Solon.
Wala po ay napunta sa Khalifa. Number 10 at Khalifa. Side shot, wala po. Kapatan na po yung bola. Yeah!
It's a 10-0 run. Another steal. 12-0 run.
Steal from Solar. Sabi ko, nakakaulit.
Another steal.
Yes, sir!
14-0 run.
Kamabanak-tama ko ng mga CCTV.
14-0 guys. just got my top fan badge, ma'am. Pa-shout po.
Anyway, the
They're still there.
number 12 to number 13.
And Russell, John Jacinto are watching.
Keeping. Well, it's up.
2-0 run.
No foul call.
Good luck number 13, Aliyah Paula.
Jersey number
Santino Malacca is watching. Grabe kayo at Khalifa.
13.
Dwayne Rapolos. Jobert Ray Lau. Kosa ka Tediano? Ginger Ray Lau. Sir, kosa to di Ginger Ray. Bianca Nicole are watching. Pa-shout po kay Monique de Malagutay from Jason Ramos.
Number 11.
Matir and Ciso is watching. Let's go, Khalifa. And that ends their scoring drought. Shout out from Pilar College. Yes, Bianca Nicole. Noel Ramillano is watching. Shout out to Aristine, Jacob, Ray, or Jackie Rains are watching. Pa-shout out ka Thursday. Bianca Tars watching. Shout out kun Santino Malacay. Francisco Regina is watching. Pa-shout out po kun Santino Malacay. A bad pass there. Nahirapan kanina si Solon but was able to manage to muscle his way up. Got that basket. Fleur. Ronnie James Gallo. Basket. Shout na Dimeo. Bossing Ma'am May Shane. Jason Ramos. Shout out to Bossing from Dwayne Rabolos. Aaron Blando. Razier Mad. There was a foul there. Pa-shout out kung John Carlo Lacandalo. So guys, pasensya at medyo gabi na tayo kasi nga nagka-double overtime kanina. Kimmer Garcia, Mio Cosa, Magic Talisik are watching. Mark Caliolo is watching.
Let's see for the second kanino natin po yun? Of course, sa magandang bilang po na nanonood ngayon. Yes, sir. Otherwise, the ball is with Emily.
The official runner score 19-6.
Opposition. Jersey number 13, Ronnie Callo.
So official runner score natin is again 19-6.
Sideline inbound. To number 34, Araneta.
Easy basket there for Araneta. Jaizar Amuamil. Nino, Coach Nino, Reggie are watching. Shout out to SKB. Julian is watching. Shout out kay Andrew Bina.
And the 3 points is Gregory Vine, Ashley, Spain, and Abare. My foul.
Shout out sa ating referees. No? They're really doing their best. Pacify kung ano man mga commotion sa baba and to balance balance the game.
Khalifa from here.
Princess Megan Utod, Go Araneta, shoutout kay Daddy Marlon Ordeniza, shoutout kay Idol Nurben, wala man si Nurben.
Nakatalo ko rin. Wala po, overshoot the time. But then,
Raymer Candido is watching.
Nakadalo. The ball is there to Khalifa.
Al-Kadami Anam Karay is watching. 21-9 is our official running score.
Sa unang gusto po tayo, we'll see on the first quarter of the ball game. And about the
Jay-Z Villanueva is watching. So guys, of course it's still first quarter of the ball game. Shoutout kun Romnick Araneta from Roland Araneta. Pa-shoutout kun Andre na Pasonang Katan Rampa. Jerick Jones is watching. Shoutout kun Januar de Perez. Shoutout kun Christopher Gupit. Go by 21-20-11. So this will be a battle also of the Giants. Solon versus San Luis. Tingnan natin kung sinong big man atong reign dito sa ating 18 under. So sinong big man ang mag-outplay sa isang pang big man. Shoutout kun Ali de Chicago Bulls. Pa-shoutout kun Ronnie Ramos. Pa-shoutout ma'am. Shoutout kay Al-Kadami Karay. Shoutout kun Arnie Fernando Jr. Around player del Icas Calarian from Jerick Jones. Margisela Sabanal is watching. Pa-shoutout kay Alal Mamarul from Aliyah Paula. Shoutout kun Jerick Jones, Sir kaya Quebra. Shoutout kay Cedric Dewara. Ala. Another naman. Ano ba naman itong mga batang to? Kinakabahan tayo dito sa mga batang to. Napaka-aggressive talaga. Shoutout kay Fraser Mudding from Cedric Dewara. Paragas Jr. Fosinaga is watching.
With our very own Rodriguez Calder, Corpus Desert Iron Romarai. Thank you, sir. Second free throw. Repair for Lacandalo.
For Lacandalo. 21-14. Ando. 13 lang pala. It's Good Luck Colonia from Aliyah Paula. Shoutout kay Dizayn Singkil Asha Ibrahim. Shoutout ma'am from GC Yap. Muhammad Rafa is watching. 23-13 is our official running score. Shoutout kay Rap Khalil. Get well soon from Answer. Lacandalo. Solon versus San Luis. Mga higante. Giant versus Giant. San Luis versus Solon. Let's go, Khalifa. Reynald Bartolome is watching. Kenneth Mukatil is watching. San Luis versus Solon.
Let's see for his second free throw.
Grabe kanina guys, if you just watch the first game, akala namin na matatapos sa first overtime, pero nagkaroon pa ng second overtime. Team SK Tagalog just JD scores with a second. 2 overtime.
May towel po din sa ilalim.
That's one, Jaber Escobar. Shoutout kay Kevin Roas from Aaron Blanc.
6'5", if I'm not mistaken.
Mga bata, ano kaya ang kinain ng mga bata?
Tuloy-tuloy ba yan? Yes, sir. Ang ganda naman yun.
Pa-shoutout kung Jasper Tuban from Daniel Kevin Ross watching. Shoutout kung Zion Solon, Wembanyaman.
20 seconds.
Yes, Wembanyaman. Del
20 seconds shot clock for Etirism.
Balance and matchup. Solon versus Lau. Kasi bout sila.
The rest was blocking ball.
Nako, yan ang ayaw ni Rep. Magre-reclam. Pa-shoutout po kung Pantalyon. Kevin Gallo Fabian is watching. Tatawagan ka talaga. Let's see what's the call there. Yung pusak si number 12. Shout Jaber Escobar from Jaber Escobar. Oh, sila Candalo, technical foul. Nico Tan is watching, blocking foul. La Candalo natawagan ng foul. Kevin Roa shot kay Aaron Blando. Naku, hindi ko mabasa yung name. Is watching. Shoutout kung Zedric Dewara is watching from Iraq. Pa-shoutout kung Christian Dahil.
Jersey number 12, Lacandalo is the third personal foul. Tatlo na po ang foul ni Lacandalo.
Ayun ang masakit.
Tatlo na.
3 fouls na si Lacandalo and nasa first quarter pa lang tayo, guys.
Wait.
Nasa first quarter pa lang tayo, guys, at 3 fouls na si Lacandalo. Shoutout kung Crystal Shorthair from Josephine Taro. Marco Mendoza, Joey Miranda are watching. J. Matthew Limosnero. Shoutout. Shoutout J. Matthew Limosnero. Nika Angela Briones is watching.
Yes, sir.
So, 29-13. Pa-shoutout Raymart Avanzado.
Because of the third personal foul ni Lacandalo.
Pa-shoutout sa Khalifa Rajiv Balamo. Then Hamaam Salim is watching.
Jersey number 55. Second personal foul.
Ang dami mga tinatawagang fouls ngayon, ha. Number 55, tinawagan ng foul. Sino bang 55? Number 55, tinawagan ng foul. Christian Che Talavera. Good luck, Nasser. From Zycar Rai or Zycar Ri. Pa-shout po kay Fraser Mating watching from Southcom. Foul, another foul. From one foul to another. Yung mga tawag dito. Sa first quarter pa lang, guys. Ganun na ka-intense yung laro. When it comes to defense, when it comes to defending their opponent, grabe na, foul after foul. Martin Baltazar is watching. So yung if there's some, they should make sure yung mga free throws nila, at least it's a big help to cut down the deficit. Buti na lang ang haba ng kamay ni Solon.
Wala pa rin po, tira ni Solon. Solon pa rin!
Iba talagang matangkad.
Nakatingwit po si Solon ng foul.
Julius Santos Jacob is watching. Proud Mother watching. Kuhutan, number Kuhutan. From Ibn Rizam. Amir Haisam Lakibol is watching. Shout po kung Martin Baltasar, with classmate Bembol. Clarence Rod Diot is watching. Al Rashid Daud Flores is watching.
Basket is good. San Luis.
Okay na lang guys yung
Bola po ngayon ng
lamang Al Rashid Daud Flores and Karil
10
Tolentino.
seconds to shoot. 5. Bola pa rin po. Ang bawang ng bola. Bola po.
And that ends our first quarter.
And of the first quarter of the ball game.
We would like to thank our sponsors, Asia Love, Mayor John Dalipe, FJ Graphics, Sensation by Doc Loris Tam. Kung gusto nyo pong magpa-nails pa, gusto nyo magpamasahe, dyan lang po sa harap ng Golden Boys. Yung second floor, kung saan yung lim na restaurant. Kung gusto nyo naman magpa-skincare, siya naman yung clinic nila sa harap naman ng Anking's shop. ERBL, Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga, Valientes. Tres Marias, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News, Croc Sports, Anking's Collection, S3 Apparel.
We are now entering the second quarter of the ball game. It is wrestling by Kyle Navarro is in the house. Kahit ito yung liguan, natagay sa pagking. Bola po ay nasa Kalipa. Jersey number 6, Ramos of Etereza. First personal foul. First big foul. Gadio. Gadio pa rin po, binubula po. Time to shoot. Naku po, nakakot. Oh, may foul po tayo doon. Jersey number 30. Dayo of Sepir at Kalipa. First personal foul. One team foul. Bola po ngayon ng Ibn. It's a sideline inbound. To jersey number 22. Jersey number 22 pa rin. May tala. Tinira po, galing sa 3 points. Bola po, isang airborne. Jersey number 25. To Araneta. Araneta. To Brady. Wala po. Whoa! What a rebound and a follow-up shot by Kalipa. Jersey number 6. Pinasa po sa lalim. Hindi po naipasok ang tira nun, pero nakatigwin po ng dalawang ito. Jersey number 34, Romnick Araneta of Kalipa 20. First personal foul. Second team foul. Basket is good. Jersey number 55, Dayo. Wala po. Bola po ay mapunta sa Etereza. Laptop there ang Kalipa. Pinasa po si Lalim. Yes, sir! Basketball 2. Easy layup. Substitution. Jersey number 6, Ramos. Second, personal foul. Bola po ng Kalipa. It's a baseline inbound. Ang galing naman nun. What a basic layout. Epsilon with the ball. Jersey number 22 po ang may tala ng bola. Jersey number 20, binigyan po ng pick ng jersey number 29. Takes a pick! Wala po. Wala po natamaan doon. So, bola po ay mapunta sa Kalipa. Jersey number 12 with the ball. 19, Dayo. Dayo, tuloy-tuloy ba yan? Wala po. Was rebounded. May foul po. Jersey number 20. Second, personal foul on Dayo. 13, team foul. 8 minutes up with the ball. Jersey number 22. Nagtama nilang pinasa po sa gitna. Ako po, masikip po, masikip. Nakakaw tuloy. There was a pushing foul according to national referee next time. Jersey number 6, Ramos. Third personal foul. 13 team foul. Tatlo na po ang foul ni Ramos of jersey number 6. Bola po, nasa Jersey Kalipa. Number 5. Kupit. Tuloy-tuloy ba yan? Wow! What a simple shot coming from Kupit. Tuloy lang. Kulang shot. Bola po. Abangan ko ng bola. Ball stays with Pectorisa. Jersey number 13 doing the baseline inbound. Ano po yan? Warning for penalty. Umayaw, second personal foul. Ball 7, jersey number 12 na po. Balipan ko ng bola. Kalipa. Yes, sir. Jersey number 5. Basket for 2. Up and running. Basket is good. Yes, basket on and 1 for Dayo. What a basket. Charge timeout. Pectorisa. Jersey number 19, Suhuka. First personal foul. Running for penalty. If there is some team. Of course, this timeout is brought to you by the exclusive Sapi 89.9 Brigada. Rock Sports, and of course, the Samang Basketballista ng Pilipinas. Back to the ball, hey! Wala po yung ball shot na. But anyways, Pectorisa, so number 20, wala po. Palos na po, wala pa rin po. Abangan po ng bola. Bola pa rin po ng Pectorisa. So then, number 4. Passes to Rockman, jersey number 12. Nakakaw din ng Pectorisa. Jersey number 29 with the ball. Pinasa po si Nani. Solon. Nahirapan po si Solon. Wala pa rin po. Malong shot. Yes, sir. Basket for two. Jersey number 29. Again with the ball. Pablo Perico. Kick out. 10 to shoot. Yes, sir. Jersey number 12. Basket for two. Edmirizam with the ball. To jersey number 20. Napo po. Muntik na. Jersey 10 to shoot. Ako ng bola po ay napunta sa Edmirizam. Basket and run. Jersey number 12, Umayaw. Third, Westgabal. Substitution. The main man, bumalik ulit, si Slovar. Yes, sir. Walang problema po. Bola po ngayon ng Sergey Saliba. Jersey number 15 with the ball. Kinahanda po. To jersey number 5. To jersey number 12. Jersey number 12 looking for a pass. 10 to shoot. Nakupot na ako. Solon ka rin. Yes, sir. This time, pumasok po ang tirang ni Solon. Palokot. Yes, sir. It's a power move by jersey number 5. Edmirizam. It's a short, pero bola pa rin. The ball stays with Edmirizam. Baseline inbound for Edmirizam. For three, wala po. Dapat. Charge and timeout for Khalifa Ferrier. And that timeout is brought to you by the AG Law, the FJE Graphics Sensation, the LLSU Basketball League, the Alabar, Aiden, from Waka Pajetes, Blue Harvest, the Tres Marias Hanging Collection, SD Spain and Ahana. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Pasensya na guys, meron lang tayong inasikaso concert sandali.
Boys with
Saan tayo? Good luck if there is a miss you boys. Gogo Khalifa.
Yeah!
Shoutout, 19
Announcing his first person.
back to back. Basket there for Khalifa. Shoutout kung Yusef Arab Underdogs. Solon! Iba talagang matangkad. Shout ko, nice scorer Falcon Anthony from Carl Fred. Pa-shout po si Reese kay Cabaral from Christine Kate. Nice scorer Muksan Lads from Carl. Ayos sa inyo evening. Ayun na ako manob sharing Christine Kate. Shoutout ko na Arnie Fernando Jr. The Titi Din Sansen. Roland Natetes watch. Pa-shout ko Idol Baki Martin Baltasar. Zaika Reese watching. Yayan Largos. Ngolo Kante is watching. Akram Valerius is also watching. Margisel Sabanal, Bagay, Philips Lax, AJ Munoz, Snipe, Dorig are watching. Thank you so much.
Calipa Baby.
The money man.
Dollar.
There was a foul.
And there is a foul.
Pushing foul.
Pushing foul by number 22. Masya team ni Street Talusan watching from Boracay. Basri Jalalain. Ben Sabdullah is watching. Masya kung Mushtaq Binoya. Thank you guys for watching. Please
Jersey number 22 of
alam nyo na
President Hall.
gabi na. Para sa mga ngayon lang naka-tune in sa laro natin. Kaya ganito yung oras ng laro natin. Nagka-off to double overtime po tayo ganito. Cherry scores. Cherry scores against SK Talon-Talon. And SK Talon-Talon just grabbed that win. So kaya naman sa Team Omars and Team Janea. Akala namin mag-overtime na naman. So kung mag-overtime, ewan ko kung anong oras na kami matapos. Gamar Ram Gumansing, Gamar Hairula are watching. Good luck, Saikari. Good luck, Hutan. Santino Malakay, Glyza Dex, and Martin Baltazar are watching. Grabe kayo, guys. Kahit ganitong oras na, nandito pa rin kayo kasama namin nanonood sa last game. Dito sa Big Fundamental 18 under, no zone defense rules. Shout out ulit si Reese Galingan. Carabal. Rainier G, Marites Bannister, Rainer Falcasantos are watching. Shout ko na Jordan Mar Valdez, 18 months. Alim Unting. Big Fundamental Basketball. Thank you rin sa AG Love. Napaka-solid ng kanilang mga sneakers. Ngayong new era. And kung gusto naman ng mga solid na mga shirts, nandun naman ang DBTK. Baka naman, DBTK, para magkaroon din naman kayo ng Big Fundamental edition.
This game is not yet over. Still on second quarter of the ball game.
Thank you, Boss Alim, no? So, grabe yung as I was saying, grabe solid mga sneakers. Yung solid na mga solid yung mga sneakers.
Sayang po yun. But anyway, wala po namin Teresa.
Naman, DBTK. Noor Pornelosa, Go Carabaral, Rian De La Cruz, Nawaf Asim are watching us, as well as Jeric Elima, Daniel Angeles are watching. Shoutout kung Rainer Falcasantos from Rain Anthony Mirasol, John Patrick Aga, espera lang sa 21 under. Kair Abdul Bata is watching. Grabe si Solon. Buhat na buhat ni Solon yung team. Watching France, Sabanal, Baltasar is watching. Binoy Abaw is follow-up shot ni Araneta Romney. The pride of Pungyao. Marco Mendoza, Jury Fadsri are also watching. Okay, Grabe tong Khalifa. Pero of course, hindi rin nagpapatalo yung MD Rizal.
Jersey number 8.
In the likes of
There's Carl Banahan.
Cabaral. Sana manalo si sabi ni Chichay. John Christopher Ilopre, Cal, Angelo Cortez, and Julian Dado are watching.
55, 39. Steve. And he fought. Wala po. But Araneta
Khalifa.
Araneta Ben, turn to shoot.
And getting that foul.
Down here.
The pride of Buyao.
And
Julian Dado, Risa Tari, Gwyneth Kias,
Jersey
Camille Lumanag are watching. Go Cabaral, Macdo na to sa Monday, Christine Kane. Shout out from Holosulu. Shout dyan sa mga basketball fanatics. Dyan sa napakita ng mga tao dyan sa Holosulu. John Manarudin, Ear Linjan Tindog, Haisam Sangkula are watching. Hi po, pa-shoutout po from Christoph. Thank you so much, Christoph and Christoph, for watching our game. Shoutout ka na fruit stand, di Justin Sean. Saan po yan, Justin Sean? From Rainer Falca Santos. Shoutout from John Vincent Penuela. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Alam natin late na talaga but you are still there to support us. Pa-shoutout po kay Tuteng, Earl Jantin. Shoutout kay Kate Chan,
Masikip ang depensa po sa gitna.
ang Fatima Radia.
Nakakasin lang ang darosan. Jersey number 8. Nagupo, parang nabitiwan ang bola. Second to play. 10 seconds.
Muhammad Rafa is watching.
5 seconds. 3. Hindi time out po tayo. Kaya.
Of course, basketball is a sports game.
Penalty.
A sports game. A contact sports.
Offensive foul.
Gutom na ako. Hi po from Fatima Radia. Carlo Tolentino is watching. So it's a contact sport, so expect the physicality of the game unless it's not intentional.
Offensive foul. Jersey number
Floribel, grabe talaga si Ma'am Floribel. Thank you so much, Ma'am,
And
for
the second
sticking with us. Nandito pa rin si Ma'am Floribel Baldo.
round 4 is the
So we would like to thank our sponsors, AG Lab, Mayor John Dalipe, FJ Graphics, Sensation, ERPL, Alabar, Adex, Tabuanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports, ang Kings Collection, Esri Apparel, and sa mga basketballista ng Pilipinas. 55.
Okay, we would like to thank our sponsors, Mayor John Dalipe, the AG Lab Concept Store, the FJ Graphics, Sensation, the Aerosol Process and Read, Alabar, Aiden, the Monte Valientes, the Blue Harvest, the Tres Marias, the Angking Collector, Ashley Green and Science, the Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada, Croc Sport, and of course, the Mahang Basketballista legal commissioner, DJ Santelani. Of course, we would like to thank our very own founder of the BNP, Coach Joseph Aaron Romanote.
Still watching, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am Floribel. Shoutout kay Lopre Chichay Dam. Shoutout na Tienda Di Lola Di Rainer Falca Santos from Rain Esquera. Shoutout Jay Muño. Shoutout kay Daniel Angeles. Pa-shoutout sa SJCC Crisop. Cyril Enriquez Elmidar is watching. Watching from Philippines, HJ Mas. Shoutout kay Cabaral. Gutom na raw yan siya. Shoutout naman po Scheider and Nordia Kahal. Job kasi gusto shoutout Sander Kasan. Tama. Pwede makasunod. Sander Kasan. Muhammad Akir Deus. Watching pa shoutout. Good idol Baki Martin Basar. Nur Brian Hassan is watching. Shoutout naman kay Kuta number 9 Muhammad Akir. Matthew Yuan is watching. Shoutout kay MSG Harken, Ethan Josh Harken. Did I say it right? Ethan Josh Nelida Solon. Chloe Casanaday are watching. Ria Fabian is watching. Sarah Burke is watching. Sean kay Cara Baral, miss ka na daw ng taga-South. Patrick Rantayan is watching.
And one bucket is brought to you by the SB Fleet and Apollo.
Guys, our official running score natin is 57-41 in favor of Khalifa.
Number 18 with the ball,
Shot kay Patrick Randayan. Nurben, babyface assassin is watching. Yan sila Nurben. Dito yan galing sa Big Fundamental. Dito sila nakilala. Dito rin Rudy Kai, guys, is watching. Joseph Anthony Relampagos is also watching. Al-Yusri Omar is watching. Grabe yung laro ng Grabe yung laro ng Omars. Pusong Omars talaga. Mac Usman is watching. Thank you so much guys for tuning in dito sa ating Big Fundamental 18 under. No zone defense rule. Thank you so much to our 107,000 viewers. So kanina, if you just tune in guys, grabe yung first game natin, no? JD Sports and Talon SK. Double overtime. And sa second game naman natin, napaka-solid din, no? Team Omar, sila yung naghahabol. Pero nung fourth quarter na, rumatsyada na yung Omar. So, at muntikan pang magka-time out, magka-overtime. Ano ba yung masasabi ko? Gutom na ako, guys. Shot kung Toteng, ele daw, el guapo na Toribio, ma'am. Sige lang. Si Alito Alegre, noy. Suporta kami contigo. Ben, pa-shout kay Joseph Pangit. Basri Amir. Philoe Charke are watching. Shout out Coach Joseph. Pa-shout kay Asral Bawi next time from Madi. Salman is watching. Shout out Despa Farm Tumaga Real Tolls. Yes. Actually guys, SN CBL, no, it's a rematch. Rematch actually. The first season, although Inter Barangay openly commercial type le. Ano, Tetuan versus Tumaga tamengkel. So ara tamen na dila 21 under Tumaga versus Tetuan syempre. So balik at sa rematch. Shout out Ma'am Shane from John Christopher Elopre. Shout out Kuntigo. So official running score is 44-62. Shoutout kay Kate, move on na. Ay. Okay, tupa datun camera. Kyle, pabor. So, sir ka pa tumba datun camera, guys. JB Ang, Ras, AJ Farshala, and Jover Treylao. Kosagate di Ginger Ray, si Jover Treylao. Si Jover Treylao. Shoutout Kun Ang from Rian. Adjust na anay kita Elda ato na adjust na anay kita poko no di ato camera kay yato pa bola. Sorry guys, sinagatse kasi sir ka kita na court, so possible kasi ta pwede tupa ka naton bola ati. I see Jacob, Chan are watching. Ron, John, Red, or Red are watching. Yuji Aradi, Emijon, Justice Younger, watch out kay Carabaral, miss ka na raw ng Tagate ni from Elop Reports, Matthews watching, Percival Gregorius also. Pa-shoutout Oberezito from Rian de la Cruz. Solon. Shoutout Tumaga, Red Horse. Tupay tamin daton camera guys. Miko de la Cruz is watching. 24 seconds violation. Shoutout kun Elopre, tama ka na, Chichay Dam. Shoutout kun Carl Torres, pati Mark Gonzalez. Luis, again, our sincerest and heartfelt condolence to Sumergido family. The main man, Dolorido, just made that basket. Shoutout kun A. Solis, Bububu, Rian. Lima Tango. Shoutout kun Tindok Ma'am. Ere daw guwapo, gengeng nga kasi. O sige, suporta lang kami sa mga guwapo alin na Diyos sa barangay. Go lang. Absam Sinis, watch out. Matthew Cataylo, Bebe Time from Enrico. Arnold Masarik is watching. Shoutout Aaron Del Rosario. Aaron, I'm sure proud say hermano di Alexis di AA, no? Si Aaron Mantel, ano? Si Aaron L. Kusa yan? Gusto ko si Aaron. Dance Sports. No, Dance Sports si Aaron. Erlyn Jan Tindok. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome po. Cyrus Lagra is watching. Shot Kunyanga, number 20. ICAS basketball girls. Balik at amin. Chaneta Menera, ano? Basketball girls. Girls edition. James Mark Alvarez is watching.
Jersey number 18 to 11. Ramin Llano. Nakakar. Jersey number 55. Tapos. That was the follow-up shot by jersey number 55.
Ma'am Shane, bago daw sa score, shout ulit ma'am ng taga Real. Wow, thank you so much Ria, and thank you, no. Good luck on the Tumaga Realtors. Balik at sa match up, the rematch from mga angkol lang kita usahin ng mga peo. The season 1 ano Tumaga tamen sa versus Tetuan. So ara tamen Tumaga versus Tetuan the rematch. Yung balik at sa Wego. Muzab Hanapi is watching. Gerald Matindo, Muhammad Jibrin are also watching. Thank you so much. Thank you gayat. Rian De La Cruz, thank you for appreciating our effort. Nadali ko na sa bale and quality coverage. Thank you guys. Lilibet Caballo, Sufish, Ciencia is watching. So, yung mga ansi na mga appreciation, kumbaga amo sa damon, diesel para man continue and work hard. Gabe si Dolar. Richie Paragas. Raver Mondehar are watching. Guys, actually kun ambre agat yo guys. Dapat araya kabayal game, but of course, you know, anything can happen now, Wego. Golenante. Can man expecta double overtime. River Montear, Khalil, Pata, Hamnisun, Abdul Moshi, Kamis are also watching. Thank you so much, guys. Our official running score, 73-50. Pa-shoutout po kay Kuhutan, River Montehar. Sayang, naagaw doon ng Khalifa. Ang grabe itong mga batang ito kumakatakbo. Walang preno-preno. Shoutout po Glenn Dangay. Diamond coach aki na Midnight Voice. Bien bueno gatseman coach from Jerimar. Marco Jumawas, team mo yan. Yes, team ni Jumawas ay Khalifa. Richie Boy sa Luzon. John Mariano, watching from Zone 2. Buenas brother John. 3:27 is our official time before we end this third quarter. Janik Santel Cabañas is watching. Justin Labar is watching. Richie Boy sa Ludsod, Team Khalifa, si Marco. Team Khalifa yung nilalaroan niya. Watching boss from May Kawayan, Bulacan, from Richie Boy sa Ludsod. John Mar Manago, thank you so much for watching all the way from May Kawayan, Bulacan. John Mar Manago, pa-shoutout. Shoutout sa'yo, John Mar. 3 points. Cutting down the lead to 20. Malayo-layo pa to, guys. Don Taka is watching.
foul. Jersey number 24, Romnick Araneta. Personal foul.
Romnick Araneta, third personal foul.
Offensive foul for them.
Kaylee Pira is watching.
And to the number.
Gutom na talaga guys, honestly lang.
Jersey number 20 to Puhenta.
So, the 10:36.
Chat lang ako after lang.
It's a player over for Stella.
Kasi na maingay.
Wala mo kaya ng Kalima. To Talo. Galit. There was a car on its way to the basket. And that car committed drive. Jersey number 4, Shalom, offensive result. There was a car running from Shalom. Apat na po ang foul ni Shalom. Running for penalty. 13 are running for penalty. Subdivision. Announcing the entry once again for San Luis. The taller man on
Amir Khan, idol. Sinong idol mo, Amir?
at the result.
Pa-shout natin sinong idol mo.
Yes, sir.
Gadi Machutes is watching.
With the ball. Nasa kanya pa rin po. This time pinatapos ko Galo.
Gadi Machutes, Rachel Tamo is watching. Matthew Enciso is also watching. Doralba Ponce Vince is watching. Official running score 77-55. Jersey number 6 is on the free throw line. The free throw is brought to you by AG Lab, Concept Store, Mayor Chan Zaliped, Sensation. Saan po ang laro na yan? Sa Golden Boys po.
First time. But anyways, back to the talking. Jersey number 22.
Dwayne Shalim De Leon,
Pulachan. Pulaco.
JR De Los Reyes, Christian Panilaga are watching. Sino po Abante idol? Ang Abante ay Khalifa. 77-56. Shoutout po, Miyang.
Jersey number 20.
Miyang, ito ba yung sa ano? Ito ba yung sa Commander's Elite? Yung nag BFP training? Veronica Cuevas is watching.
Jersey number 14 with the ball. Time to shoot.
Jay is watching.
Five. Number 4.
Bad pass there. Kinapos. Nasobra ng pasa doon. Jay and Mushtaq Binoy are watching.
Jumawa to Galo, jersey number 14 with the ball. Galo po, may kala ng ball. Galo pa rin, looking for a pass. Galo pa rin to Jumawa. Time to shot. Wala po, kapos po ang ginamit si Jumawa. Friends from the bench, si Jumawa for 1 minute. Wala po. But first, they do not get it.
Damian Taka, Richie Boy Solso, Daniel Alvarez are watching. Number 29 is on the charity line. Ano yun? Obdenisa. of the Nisa. 2 for 2.
Bola po ng Kalima, jersey number 22. So, there is jersey number 20, Dayo.
Noel McCruz, Bramptons, Vince Ramos, Marvin Lascar watching. So guys, just keep coming your messages and I will be reading all your shoutouts. Yan, medyo late na nga tayo guys kasi nga kanina nagka-double overtime tayo sa first game. Napaka-epic na game na yon. JT Sports versus SK Talon-Talon. And now, kanina naman, muntik nang magka-overtime ulit. Omars versus Janea. But Team Omar just finished that ball game strongly. And ngayon naman, Khalifa versus Ibn Rizam. Pareho sa walang talo. And of course, sino bang may ayaw na magkaroon ng winning streak? So, malalaman natin kung sino ang makakaran or makakakuha ng kanilang unang heartache. Abe Kongtan, Coach AA Hasiman, Abi Rauf, Paul Harry Manupak, Asaral are watching.
Okay, yes sir. Tao lang po tayo. We bound to make mistake. Pero po sir. Sorry.
3-0 Khalifa George. Pa-shoutout M. Macron. Ken Carl Miares is watching. Asaral, Bawi. Yes, third quarter pa lang tayo. Meron pa tayong isang quarter. At marami pang pwedeng mangyari sa ating whole quarter. So, abang-abang lang guys kung ano yung magiging laro dito sa fourth quarter. 12 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter bago tayo umusad sa ating final quarter. A steal there by 19. At pasok yung 2 points na yun. And that third quarter is brought to you by Agelab Concept Store, FJE Graphics, Tres Marias Tailoring, the exclusive shop, ang King's Collection, S3 Print and Apparel, 89.9 Brigada News, Croc Sports, Zensation, ERBL, Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, and of course, sa mga basketballista ng Pilipinas. Gabriel Venaventura is watching. So, in our fourth and final quarter,
We are now entering the last and final quarter of the ball game. It is the betting line.
Mushtaq Binoya is watching. Good luck, Clarence Colonia from
Wala po. Wala po ang napunta sa Kalita. Intercepted by Adelza. Mupo na ang po ng Papian. Papian with the ball. Papian sa rin. Nakupo. Nakakaw.
Brian Antonio is watching.
Jersey number 12, Samayo. Jersey Kalita together. Then Spencer Paul running on Samayo. Exhibition now with the ball. 20, looking for a pass. Set to shoot. Kick out pass. Tinira mo. Yes, sir. Basketball goal for jersey number 29. Umayo. To Araneta. What's the score?
78-62 is our official running score. Ibn Rizam was trailing as much as 20 points.
Jersey number 29, Ordaneta. Running.
Shoutout kay Asaral. Utang mo, matik na ads 1. Eric Bailon, Access, Andy Ko, Wang Li, Coach Wang. Congrats, Coach Wang. Go if there's some defense.
Mano.
Khalifa ball.
And to shoot.
The money man, Dollar.
Walang ka problema po. Pag-internal po. May tara ng bola.
Parang bumabawi si Dollar dito dahil sa laro nila kanina.
What a power shot coming from bola po. Nasa-pinball natin si Dollar. Dollar ka rin po. Pinasa po to Fabian, sila jam. Yes, sir.
Yes, para sa 3. Para kay Jacob Fabian.
Jersey number 20 with the ball. Jersey number 23. Malaki po.
A steal there by Khalifa and Dollar again.
Yes, sir.
Easy basket for Dollar.
What a coordination play between Dollar and Fabian that time. Jersey number 18 to 29, kick out pass. Kapos po. Tirano. Dollar. Pinasa po to Fabian. Oh! For the second time around from Dollar to Fabian. What a basket for Fabian.
86-64 is our official running score. Still in favor of Team Khalifa. So, ilang minutes na lang, we will find out who will be in a winning streak and who will get their first heartache dito lang sa Big Fundamental Basketball League. 18 under, no zone defense rule. So, thank you guys sa mga nagstay pa rin. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Asaral, nice defense. And now back to the ball game. 7 minutes and 45 seconds here in our 4th and final ball game. Final quarter. John Xavier Macron is watching.
Jersey number 29 with the ball. Passes to Lacandalo. Binalik mo rin kay Lacandalo for 3! Wala po, across the number. Ball stays back to Teknerita. It takes 90 pounds. Lacandalo to the jersey number 11. Yes, sir. What a pass from Lacandalo. Kaninong bola rin? The ball stays with Khalifa. That's us. Araneta! Hey! What a hanging time for Romnick Araneta. Grabe na yun. Enderizam. Wala po kayo, inama Enderizam. Jersey number 27. Passes to Solo. May power po sila.
Rest muna yung boses ko guys ha. Wait lang. Rest muna tayo.
Jersey number 5, focus of Khalifa Pendia. Third ball. Second team ball.
Solon is on the charity line.
Wala po ng Khalifa. Nagmamadali po. Yes. Way ahead. Naku po. Nakakaw. Wala ka. Wala po ngayon ng Enteruga.
Yes, para sa 3. Para kay Lacandalo. Yun lang, sumagot ng easy basket dun si Araneta. Romnick Araneta, the pride of Pumiao.
Jersey number 5. Second of Khalifa Pendia. Third ball.
Solon is in charity line. 1 for 2. 1 of 2. Ang Wembanyama ng BFP. Hindi nga lang pumasok yung second free throw niya. Last touch ng Khalifa and Ibn Rizam's ball. Yes, sir! Yes, para sa 3.
Lacandalo with the ball. Lacandalo pang may parang ball. Wala mo pa Lacandalo pa rin po.
Ang bilis ng batang yun. Lacandalo.
Using number 65 Chaka. Third to the ball. Running for penalty. And there you go. Robert Young. And the good. Number 29. Wala po. By Khalifa.
Coach Bobby Dick. Congrats coach na Diocedes win and natin. Pensaba kami coach man overtime ulit.
Kapten po ang sila ni Bedar. Lacandalo. Wala po. Ibang binalik mo rin kay Bukit with the ball to Kapat. To number 6. Time to shoot. Bedar. Gomenda. Ball of rain. Esperanza. Susunod na po din. Tulap down. Nakulap patay ang music. Bedar, the main man. Walang problema po. Describe po si Dora. Nandito po yung girlfriend na yan. Tama ba? Mag-girlfriend ba si Dora? Meron daw, meron. Lacandalo. There's a ball. On his way to the basket. Subdivision. Tomorrow,
Shoutout kun AJ Moons, El James Street de Icas Calarian. AJ Moons. James Reed daw, de Calerian. Shout out. Makapulit namin ito bisita na BFB. James Reed.
Hanging time, wala po.
Let's go, Khalifa.
Nakandalo po si Milan. May foul po.
Good luck. Novelties watching. Ars Pisingan Fernandez watching. Anton Abdurasa, Mary Joy Dayaw are watching.
Penalty na po tayo, penalty. Kanina pa po warning ang Khalifa Freddy. This time po, penalty na po tayo. Pedro, i-order ito. Let's see, for his set of Pedro. Wala pa rin po.
Official running score natin, 98-75. Shoutout kun Jafar Khan, El Cap de Aika Calerian from AJ Moons.
Yes, this time, pasok po. Kahit na ulit na po. Si Kali po may tala ng bola. Si Kali ni Gate 3, sabi niya, number 1, ulo.
Shoutout kun Alasima, number 15. From Petro Cuevas, Resurrection.
Wala po. Wala pa rin po. Wala ka.
Joseph Romelo is watching. Silvet Alaban is watching also. Thank you so much guys sticking around with us here sa ating final game. Shoutout kun AJ Moons, bisita daw po na BFPO. Kay James Reed, para chat namin kami kay Guapo. Kay El Guapo, aki si Cal Navarro lang. Para chat tayo otro Guapo. 176 is our official running score. Shoutout kun Gio Julian Harke, ang pogi na pasunangka. From Mark Gio Charles. Jasper Tuban is watching. Si Jafar Ali El Guapo humble uncle na ustedes sa lang dos bisita aquí para manada ya guapo kina big fundamental. Kay ara si Kyle Navarro lang el pogi aki na big fundamental. Para cambia tamin el pogi aki. Kay sumutya kami. Sumutya kami si Kyle el Guapo. Nice try, Ibne. Ganat aming Khalifa from Jor Lagayan. Jor Rangers Lagayan. Siyempre, yun ang coach.
Dina. To Jumawas. Jumawas for 3. Wala pa rin po. Edmerosa. Yes, sir. Football for jersey number 22. Gallo. Gallo. 1 minute. Ramos. Agawan ka ng bola. Bola po ng Freddy Calipa. Time out for Calipa 20. Remaining time 55.2 seconds. Time out left for Edmerosa. Meron po kami yung dalawang time out. For Calipa 20, isa na lang po ang remaining time out po. Okay, so another charge time out. This time for Edmerosa. Time out ulit, time out ulit. Nice, time out ulit. Edmerosa. Sino pa ulo? So, both teams having 1 time out left, respectively. And this timeout is brought to you by our very own Mayor John Felipe. Back to the building. Final seconds na po tayo with a time at 55.2 seconds for the last and final quarter of the building. San Luis, yes, the basket and 1. Charge Tama for Edmerosa.
Ese si AJ Moons, pati ese si Jafar. Humble gato sedes. Para no ay apelahan, o sedes sarang bisitagi na big fundamental. Para 12 o sedes guwapo aki. Kay makasumutya si Kyle lang el guwapo kina big fundamental. O benta tayong kita ki guwapo. Shoutout kung John Julian Gio, el soltero cuero de Pasonanca. Grabe man si, soltero cuero.
Shot for San Luis or for San Luis. Yes, sir. Second play na lang po tayo.
Si Jafar lang kay mas pwede kumigugas na basketball. Hindi man siya na ano, pagwapo man kasi. Wapura lang, nung may kita na basketball. Congrats Khalifa, Kenar Indanan is watching.
Yes, sir. Pasok pa rin po. Galo now with the ball. Si Galo pang may talang ball. Galo pa rin, binubulabog po. May handshake foul now. Second team foul. Ang Edmerosa. Wala pa po sa penalty. Ball back to attend the shoot. Galo! For 3! Wala po, tapos pang Kirano. It's a turnover for Edmerosa. Bola po ngayon Khalifa, Ringi. Jumawa with the ball. To 22. Sinasasal lang, water honey pa, hindi lang mga ball. Wala pa rin St. Louis. So Jumawan. Jumawan for 3. Wala pa rin po. Maanak po si Jumawan. At Teresa. Yes sir, that ends our final total of the ball game for Malanin, 105-86. Congratulations to winning team, Kadika Tondor. Thank you so much. Once again, Venezuela Lopez, Miguel de Zamboanga.